Identify the physical property being explained. The question asks for the best explanation of why gases are easily compressed. E. Why their volume can be dramatically decreased by applying an external force or pressure. Recall the kinetic molecular theory, KMT, of gases. A key postulate of KMT is that gas particles are incredibly small compared to the vast distances that separate them. This means that a gas sample consists almost entirely of empty space, and the actual volume of the gas molecules themselves is negligible compared to the total volume of the container. Relate molecular spacing to compressibility. Because gas molecules are relatively far apart and surrounded by empty space, applying pressure easily pushes the individual molecules closer together, drastically reducing the overall volume. Select the correct option. The vast empty space between gas molecules is the direct physical explanation for compressibility, making option B the correct choice. The correct answer is option B, are relatively far apart.